Why resource? An extremely good question. We do the most comprehensive employment background verification in India. We practically cover all nuances from the date of birth till the current status. Our verification includes government issued photo identity cards, permanent address, current address, all government approved educational qualifications, and all employments. The checks include about 40,000 plus criminal, reputational, statutory, civil, legal and intellectual property checks. We are the only agency which can practically do permanent address verification in every village in India and criminal checks in every taluk or tehsil in the country. How are we able to do this? I have filed 4 patents. Based on this intellectual property, we have built a comprehensive verification platform. We are able to look for information in more than 40,000 databases, not only in India but across the world. We capture information online, which means that there is no gap between the time that an agency uploads information and our ability to track that. That makes it possible for us to do criminal checks in every possible authority. We are also the address verification partner of India Post. They have the best reach for any organization in India when it comes to address verification. Currently serve 450 plus customers, some of them extremely big brands. We also do around 29,000 verifications currently, and the Silicon India magazine have called us the best background verification company in 2019. We are also the preferred partners for many background verification companies to do their address verification, permanent address verification, and for doing criminal checks. We are giving you our interim report within 3 working days and the final report within 10 working days. If you are not able to meet this SLA, I commit that there will be a 10% penalty clause. You will automatically get a discount. The other guarantee that I give is an unconditional quality assurance warranty. I don't believe in any sort of certifications. I think that as a customer, you are the best judge of quality. Whatever commitments I am doing today, my team is geared to meet them every single time. You can validate that in every single report. You can check whether there are written confirmations for every assertions that we make, that there are written confirmation for every aspect of background verification, that we have delivered on time, that there are no other quality bugs that you believe would show you in bad light before your customer. And if we deliver on quality, you can then clear our invoices and only then we will raise an invoice. This sort of unconditional warranty is what should actually help you to give us your business. Thank you.